For us in the design team, our goal is, and that's what you see here, to develop that icon further into the future. Every time, every day, every year. Today, the future of Mini Electric, and that's what we see here. So the icon stays as it is, but we're focusing on details in the front, but as well in the rear. And the rear was easy, since we don't have any exhaust or exhaust pipes, so we kept the rear as clean as possible. Layer revision, the roof, the greenhouse, and the body, and the wheels. For us, you know, as designers, we always say, okay, a car has shoes somehow, and we say for this Mini we need some really nice fancy sneakers. That's how we call it. And you see it here. So a really modern approach. It's strongly geometrical, it's not symmetric in itself, and it's not just modern in sense of design, but as well in terms of technology. So we do have a wheel, and that wheel has 4 inserts that are improving the aerodynamics of our Mini Electric a lot. In conclusion, this iconic car combined with our modern technology. This iconic car combined with our modern technology is a perfect match.